Mga kapuso karong butaga ato makauban ang organizer sa viral nga picnic services sa ka-view deck sa Zamboanga City nga si Joshua Espinosa. Good morning, sir, and welcome po sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kamusta po?
Hi everyone, may adlaw. I'm Josh. I'm a college student and the owner of Sunset Cafe.
Sir, paano po ba nagsimula yung picnic services ninyo?
Well, so Sunset Cafe actually started April of last year. This was months after my mom passed away. So at the time, moving on process wasn't easy. Even after months she passed away, feel ko nahirapan pa rin ako mag-move on. So I would usually go out, bring something with me and just wait for the sunset. And then hanggang sa nakasanayan ko na siya. And eventually naisip ko, it's a nice experience and I want people to try it too. So nagsimula ako, Sunset Cafe, small time, gamit sa bahay. And then eventually, I started posting it on Facebook. And then nagulat ako na malaki yung social media engagement, especially on Twitter. So I guess what made my cafe unique from the rest is I haven't seen something like this. It's an alfresco and a picnic cafe. So all you have to do is just go there and eat and just wait for the sunset. So I think yun yung pinaka-unique experience ng cafe ko. The pandemic affected almost every aspect of life and the pandemic took away most of our time last year. So ngayon medyo maluwag na. I think people are now eager to try something new. Marami namang mga tourist spot or mga places to visit here sa Zamboanga, but I haven't seen something like this na bago and patok sa mga Zamboangueños. So naging viral siya in a way na for TikTok, for Instagram, right? It's a picture perfect na place where you can bring your friends and your family. And of course, the food that we bring and the food that we give to our clients are really good naman din. So I guess that's what made it unique.
So sir, it's actually so amazing na student po pala kayo. How do you handle your time being a student and at the same time, you're also handling people na gusto maka-avail sa services ninyo?
Undeniably, online class is not really easy. But at the same time, thankful ako sa ganitong setup because it made me flexible and more dynamic sa time ko. Kasi hindi naman kami everyday may class, so I would do Sunset Cafe on my free times, especially weekends and Fridays, usually free ako on that day. So I do picnics on that days. Pero pag may klase naman ako, I tell my clients na I'm unavailable. And pag during class, I make sure na klase lang talagang focus ko. Pag weekdays and may free time, I make sure naman na Sunset Cafe. So I manage lang dalawa. So ngayon natuto akong mag-balance kasi being a college student and being a manager is not easy. So it's a matter of time management lang din.
So sir, what is the significance of sunset in your life? Bakit ito ang focus ng team ng picnic services na ino-organize ninyo?
So I would like to take the pandemic as an inspiration for this business. During the first quarter of the pandemic, life wasn't easy. So in connection to the sunset, no matter kung gaano ka pagod, kung gaano ka tiring yung day mo, gaano ka exhausting, gaano ka magulo, at the end of the day, we always look forward for the sunset, which is the pinaka-nicest part ng day. So I want people to experience that feeling na regardless kung gaano ka stressful yung day mo or no matter how hard life is, you always look forward into something beautiful. So that's why I named my cafe Sunset Cafe because it's literal, Sunset Cafe. It's just 2 hours of your time and you just go there and just keep in touch with the nature. So I think that's the idea and the main inspiration of Sunset Cafe.
So sir, so far, ano po yung pinaka-memorable na experience dyan sa ginagawa ninyo?
Pinaka-memorable na experience, I guess, during the proposal. Of course, proposal is something that this couple, they will always bring with them pagtanda nila or something that they always treasure. So the preparation wasn't easy, nakaka-pressure, but very fulfilling and very satisfying upon seeing the guy na lumuhod and the girl finally said yes. And to be honest guys, the sunset by that time, super perfect siya. So wala akong ibang ginawa that time kundi umiyak and just witness na kung gaano ka-perfect yung time na yun. And until now, I guess, yun yung pinaka-perfect and pinaka-unforgettable experience ko so far sa Sunset Cafe. But this year, I'm looking forward for more experience and memories to create with you guys.
Okay, so any message na lang po sa ating kapuso viewers na gusto po ng mga unique na services?
My message is primarily for my fellow youth. If you guys want to try something new or if you guys have something na ginagawa niyo, if you think you can make money out of it, then try. There's nothing wrong with trying. And please do not be afraid to take the risk. Because at the end of the day, it's really satisfying and rewarding seeing yourself na kahit student ka pa lang, you are financially independent. And one thing that I really learned from this entire journey ko of being a manager of a small business and now very big hit is that always try to learn and always try to interact with your client. And for those of you guys who are interested to book, please check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Booking forms are posted there, so all you have to do is just to pick a date, and we will be contacting you guys if that date is available. So for more info, check it out, guys.
Ayan, maraming salamat Sir Joshua Espinosa sa panahon na binigay mo sa amin dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Good luck and God bless po.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.